Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a calendar on Wix website. So let's just begin. First of all, what we need to do is simply choose the most appropriate place to place our calendar. So now what we are going to be doing is, let's just say this section looks pretty good. I'm going to be adding a section over here and add an element, and then head over to my app on the left side of our screen. So this is the app section or the app market. You can search in here for calendar just like that. Once you do, you will be able to see we come up with a lot of applications for calendar. So the most recommended one is this events calendar or the Google event calendar. You can go with any. So let's just use this and click on add again over here, and you can see we have our calendar in the background. You can even resize it and position it accordingly. Let me just fix its size. So this looks pretty decent. Now I'm going to be changing its styling. You can even do that from the settings. You will be able to see we have the design. So I think this looks pretty decent, and we also have settings like, for example, language, time format, and views. So yeah, this looks pretty decent. Click on preview to get the front end section preview, and this is our site, and here we got our calendar. So this looks pretty decent, and yeah, that's how we can add a calendar in Wix.